back. So it's weekly vlog number 2. I could not really vlog yesterday because I was just sitting at home doing my homework, editing the video, and I finally uploaded it today. Now I'll be making pav bhaji, not pav bhaji, bread bhaji, because we cannot find pav here, and I'm cooking bhaji for the first time in my life. As far as I know, it is a very simple recipe, but let's see how I cook it. I'm not that bad a cook. I usually cook yummy food, but yes, I've never tried pav bhaji, so it's gonna be my first time. So these are the potatoes, and they are very tiny ones. That's why there are too many. So first of all, I just have to peel them and mash them. So I'm done peeling the potatoes. I wish we had gone for the big potatoes because these are very tiny. Just because they look cute, we bought these, and it involves 10 times more hard work than it should usually. Now I'll be chopping the onion, and it is a pretty huge one. Just look at its size. Prepared. Here are my nakli pav. Bread bhi khatam ho gayi thi, so I'm using kone wale bread ke, but it's very soft, so it's very much edible. Look what I have with me. Oh, pav bhaji, not pav bhaji, it's bread bhaji, but with onion, lemon, butter. I'm so excited to have this. And being on social media, first I have to post it everywhere, then I eat the food, so it's so tempting. I'm just quickly gonna go and have this yummy food. इस पाव भाजी ने अग्रवाल को भी क्रॉस कर दिया, बता रही हूँ मैं सही में. कभी खाने आना मेरे हाथ की पाव भाजी. Hi guys, it's Saturday and it's already afternoon that I'm starting today's vlog. Today I am going with my flatmate for a shoot. Till the time you'll be seeing this vlog, the pictures would have already been on my Instagram, so you can check out the pictures for the shoot that is gonna happen now. So this is the jumpsuit which is from Global Desi, which I bought from India, and jacket from Shirin, which I'm gonna remove when we reach the shoot location. And these are the boots. This is horses ka tabela. Go Martha. Oh my God. No, you're looking so much that thing. What if they kick me? That's the problem now. And they're tapping their feet. What if they kick This me? One is very aggressive. Yeah, I can see that. Oh.
See what's going on. The way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself.
As I said that we'll be going for the shoot, but we didn't find that much time. We just did one outfit, the one that I was wearing, and this is her outfit. You'll surely see the pictures on our Instagram. Yeah. Make sure you check it out. Yeah, the Instagram handles will be mentioned here, and the location where we are right now is Borough Market, and it is such a lively place. I didn't know that we have such a lively thing just 100 meters from our home. And meet my flatmate Martha. It's nice to meet everyone. And it's a debut on my channel. Woohoo!
Why you talking in code? No reason. Why you got me on hold? I'm beeping. I knew.
It's a Saint Bernard. It's a really huge one. So I'm home now and I have to leave in 15 minutes. So I just thought of cooking something because I haven't had anything. So this is the mango. In India we call it tandoori aam, and I got it for £1. Salted. I'm just cooking some macaroni. I have to leave for the show at 5 PM. I hope I'm done with it in another 15 minutes. It is so yummy. मुझे शेफ होना चाहिए था. स्टाइलिंग कोर्स में गलती से आ गई हूँ. खाना बना रही हूँ अच्छा खासा. So now I'm going to the fashion show that's happening at the yard, and it is just 20 minutes away from my place. I really love the idea of this fashion show, and I am someone who has never been into that many, so it's going to be a new thing for me.
Why you talking in code, no reason? Why you got me on hold, I'm beeping. I knew something was ignited. When you left I wanted more. All I wanna do is get to know you. East to west to north to south, the whole you. But I need direction, you get the message. Now don't you hit me with a rain check. I need something like a blank check. Spending a lot of...
Oh my god, the show was so amazing and it was so inspiring. I have taken a lot of shots, and more details about the show will be out on a blog. And if that blog is out till I upload this vlog, I will surely link that blog here below. And I don't know why the lighting has become so dark. Hi guys, it's Monday morning and today I'm going to assist a well-known stylist whose name is Kay. It is for the Art Play magazine.
Yeah, tell me you got it right now. But you got it right now. Tell me you got it right now. If you like it, you and I could. Let me go, girl, I mean it, hasta la vista. You say you want it, but I don't really believe ya. I can't decode a woman like you. Time and again, you give me no clue. Still want a little bit, a lot is what I came for. If I got nothing now, at least you I can aim for. I need direction, you get the message. Don't you hit me with a rain check. Sign off on one of them blank checks. Don't wanna limit the more.
This is the set, isn't it insane?
No reason to cause a train wreck. Find me a time and decide soon. Cause I'll be on my way, but I don't wanna wait. My time is of the essence, don't you know? If you give me a day, believe me when I say that I could be the presence that you want. So tell me you got it right now.
You know what just happened? I went to the kitchen and I wasn't hungry at all. I just saw this white urad ki dal and I could not control my hunger. I started craving for it, and it was today when I got rotis from Tesco, which are ready-made and you can use them whenever you want, because making a roti is such a big task. I just started craving for it, and now look what I have here. I have the white wali dal, जो थोड़ी yellow हो जाती है, and so much. I've already had few bites और थोड़ी अंदर की वो प्यास गई है, पर यार it is so yummy. I'm such a good cook. I should start a cooking channel now. What an idea. Sorry, I had to leave for a minute because I just got a call. I am now done with my dinner, and you know what? I was so hungry while I was cooking, and you won't believe I was so hungry that while doing the tadka, I didn't realize that the chimney is not on, and the fire alarm, which is in our drawing room, started making noise. I literally got so scared because my sister was not at home. She knew how to turn it off. I was so scared. I didn't want fire brigade to come at our place just because I was doing the tadka. That sucks, I know. And that's it for the vlog. I hope you all liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my new video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. See you guys next time.